We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
In humans, the eyes are said to be the window to the soul, conveying much about a person's emotions and intentions. New research demonstrates for the first time that birds also respond to a human's gaze. Predators tend to look at their prey when they attack, so direct eye gaze can predict imminent danger.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.